We will start 27 briquettes, get them all ready for our lemon bars. We're going to candy lemons to make them as a garnish for on top. So we are going to simmer 8 ounces of water and 4 ounces of sweetener. I'm using allulose, and we will simmer these lemons until they're translucent. Our keto shortbread crust consists of almond flour and erythritol and salt whisked together. I have a 1/4 cup or a half stick of butter that's diced up and cold. We're gonna cut that in using a pastry cutter. The consistency is pretty crumbly. I've lined a 8x8 pan with parchment paper. I'm going to put this crust down in there and press it in. We will use our 8-quart 12-inch Dutch oven to bake our lemon bars in. Look how nicely that fits in there. It's like it was meant for each other. Let's go to the hot coals. To achieve a 325 oven in an 8-quart 12-inch Dutch oven, we will put 9 on the bottom and 18 on top. If you want to see how I got to that equation, click on the video description. I explain it all there, along with the recipe. I came by to check the lemons. They're looking good. Keep going. Need them to be a little more translucent. They're kind of still whitish over here. Let's get started on the filling for our lemon bars. Whisk together a cup of erythritol along with 3 eggs and 2 egg yolks. Also throw in a ½ teaspoon of salt. Into our egg mixture, we need a teaspoon of lemon zest and a 1/3 cup of lemon juice. Whisk in. Have a couple tablespoons of coconut flour. We will run through our sifter. Some of our candy lemons are ready to be taken out. They smell so good. Okay, our crust has a little bit of a bake on it. And now we'll add our lemon custard. We are going to start with some fresh coals. We'll bake our lemon bars at 325 for a 12-inch 8-quart Dutch oven. We will need 9 on the bottom and 18 on top. We'll bake that until the custard is set. We'll check it every 10 minutes or so at about the 20-minute mark, but at the 10-minute marks we will rotate the bottom and the top, the oven, and the lid to make sure there's no scorching or hot spots. For our 10-minute rotation, we'll rotate the oven and the lid. This has been on for 20 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Oh my, that looks like it fell a bit, huh? That's disappointing. So here is a little happy accident. After I pulled the lemons out, I left this pan on and I was going to reduce it to a syrup, but it caramelized. So I have a lemon caramel now. I think I'm going to put this on some of my lemon bars. It's really tasty. It's so good. I love these lemons. Oh my gosh. That looks cute. What? Oh, look at this. Delicious lemon bars. Sugar-free and keto. You'll never know it though. Beautiful.